2 in this video, we're going to show you how to bottom load the side window of a 2024 Honda Ridgeline. This is the second generation model, which started from 2017 until present. I'm going to show you all the tools as well as the step-by-step on how to get this done. So let's take the door panel off this 24 Ridgeline so that we can bottom load. I'm just going to go ahead and turn my car on. Go ahead and roll this window all the way down. Now, there is a little door here that we need to remove. There's a little spot on the top in the center where you can remove that. And you will have 2 screws inside that are both Phillips. We're going to remove those 2. Go ahead and set those down. And then you have one more that's actually right underneath here. So we're going to take that off. And that should be it. We're going to pull this door card apart. We're going to start from the side here closest to the A pillar. There's usually a little gap here, and you just want to pull straight towards you. You do want to give it a little bit of a force. Now, don't pull too hard. If it's flexing and not removing, you're going to want to run your fingers down until you find the place where it's tensioned, and that lets you know that that's where is the holding point. From here, just going to slide this door card up. I'm using these little hook tools from Amazon. We're just going to hook the door, let it hang just like so. I'm going to go ahead and just prep this window. I want to make sure that I clean this top edge real well. It's normally the dirtiest part of a window. For the rest, I'm going to use my 3M Doodlebug. Now while I'm doing this, I'm also listening to see if there's anything catching on the scrubbing pad. Old adhesive, maybe this was tinted in the past. We do not know. Get that all cleaned up. Go ahead and just squeegee this, making sure that I do nice 50-50 overlaps. I'm going to use my easy reach tool and just squeegee down the sides. And now I'm going to apply slip again, and I want to apply heavy slip. I'm going to go ahead and flush my sides, and I'm going to go heavy slip on the bottom here as well. And now let's go to the front and get this liner out. We're going to go ahead and peel this liner all the way off this time. And we're going to apply slip all the way through, making sure that we do not miss any areas of the film so that I don't have any dry spots. Now I'm going to position myself in line with my door. I'm going to grab the edge and I'm going to cradle the other side. And I'm just going to walk this backwards. We're going to start by shoving nearest to the pillar. Now as I do this, I'm coming down at about a 35-40 degree angle, kind of feeding in. And if you can notice, I'm also getting this film touching the glass. The one thing you do want to be mindful here is this top here. As you're feeding it in, just don't be touching your door card because you will catch contamination if you do. I'm going to gently slide this in place. Eventually, I'm going to want to clear this other gasket here. Once I've cleared that gasket, once again, I'm always controlling the top of my film, making sure that I do not touch the door card. Once I'm here, I'm just going to center myself and find how I want to adjust this. As always, an even gap all the way across the top is what you're going after. We're going to use our lighter squeegee to begin and just dress it. I can tell that the glass is shifting on me a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and readjust. That is why we do not go with our hard squeegee right off the bat so that we can still make slight adjustments. Go ahead and use my Blue Max this time and really lock this film in place. I'm going to use my easy reach, squeegee my sides here. From here, just go ahead and roll my window all the way up. Apply a little bit more slip. We're going to just squeegee going down, making sure that we get that slip all the way out of the film so we can let the adhesive of this window film grab on. Go ahead and squeegee my sides one more time. Okay, now I'm going to paint my glass. I'm just going to visually inspect the inside and the outside, making sure there are no contaminations, no air pockets, no gaps, making sure that there's no light coming through on either side. I like what I'm seeing. So we are now done, and that's how you tint the side windows of a second generation Honda Ridgeline.